Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw on Amazon brand registry to prepare compliant visuals, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from Amazon brand registry, start by logging into your Amazon Seller Central account. Navigate to the brand registry section of your account. Locate the option for managing your brand. Select the brand you wish to withdraw from. Ensure you have all relevant documentation ready for compliance. Review Amazon's requirements for visual compliance related to your brand. Carefully read through the withdrawal instructions provided on the screen. Confirm that you meet all necessary criteria for the withdrawal. Complete any required forms or declarations as prompted. Double-check all information you've entered for accuracy. Submit your withdrawal request through the provided option. Wait for confirmation from Amazon regarding your withdrawal status. Once confirmed, begin preparing compliant visuals for your brand. Identify the visual standards required by Amazon for your product images. Gather any existing images and graphics related to your brand. Evaluate these visuals against Amazon's compliance guidelines. Make necessary adjustments to your visuals for adherence. Consider using design software or hiring a professional for complex changes. Save all updated visuals in the proper format specified by Amazon. Upload your compliant visuals to your Amazon Seller Central account. Monitor your account for updates and ensure your visuals meet the latest requirements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.